Hello friends, this is fourth type class-based modeling. In that, first one is class diagram. It is used to capture static view of the system, various classes and relationship among them is represented. Responsible for how to put object together. For example, manager, executive, salesperson can be represented by a class that is employee. Object and object classes. An object has a state, behavior, and identity. The structure and behavior of similar objects are defined in their common class. Object represents instances in the real world. Object class are templates for objects. Using object classes, objects can be created. In the UML, object class or simply a class is represented by, here is the diagrammatic representation where class name, attributes and operations. Rectangle, which consists of three sections: name, data member or attributes, and operations or methods. Here is the class names. The name of the class is the only required tag in the graphical representation of class. It always appears in the topmost compartment. Class attributes. An attribute is a name property of class that describes the object being modeled. In the class diagram, attributes appear in second compartment just below the name compartment. Here is the diagrammatical representation where person is an attribute and name, that is string, address, birth date, ID. Class attributes. Attributes are usually listed in the form attribute name, that is type. A derived attribute is one that can be computed from other attributes but doesn't actually exist. For example, a person age can be computed from his birth date. A derived attribute is designated by a preceding slash as in slash age date. One object can communicate by other object by message passing. Message passing can be done by using various operations or methods. Syntax: object name, procedure name, parameter list. For example, circle.set radius 10. Class operations. Here is the simple example phone book where new entry n name, a address, p phone number, d description, get phone and name, a address, phone number. You can specify an operation by stating its signature, listing the name, type and default value of all, and in the case of function, a return type. Relationship. In UML, object interconnections, logical or physical, are modeled as relationship. There are three kinds of relationship in UML: dependencies, generalization, association. First one is dependency relationship. A dependency indicates a semantic relationship between two or more elements. The dependency from course schedule to course exists because course is used in both the add and remove operation of course schedule. Course schedule, add C course, remove C course, course. Here is the generalization relationship. A generalization connects a subclass to its superclass. It denotes an inheritance of attributes and behavior from the superclass to the subclass and indicates a specialization in the subclass of the more general superclass. Generalization relationship. UML permits a class to inherit from multiple superclasses, although some programming languages, for example Java, do not permit multiple inheritance. Here, student and employee both are generalized by teaching assistant. Third one is association relationship. If two classes in a model need to communicate with each other, there must be link between them. And association denotes that link, student, instructor. Association relationship. We can indicate the multiplicity of an association by adding multiplicity adornments to the line denoting the association. The example indicates that a student has one or more instructors. Student instructor. Association relationship. The example indicates that every instructor has one or more students. Here, student and instructor relationship. Association relationship. We can also indicate the behavior of an object in an association, that is the role of an object using role names. Here student and instructor. Teaches, learns from is denoted by this notation. Thank you.